Hi students, welcome back. Today we will be studying about circuit symbols. Why circuit symbols? Because it's like ABC of electricity. Before solving any circuit diagram problem, we have to know how they are represented in a circuit. As you can see here, the diagram shows a circuit diagram where the electron flow is from the negative side towards the positive side. The positive side is marked with a plus sign there. Whereas the current flow is always from the positive side to the negative side. Let's see this diagram. As you can see here, we see that the current direction is from the positive side to the negative side, whereas the direction of electrons is always the opposite to the direction of the current. Now what we can see in this diagram is like the voltage is like this, flowing in this direction, and the path of the electrons are towards this direction. As you can see here, more electrons are here. You must have studied in chemistry about the free electrons. Free electrons, they move to like this. Then what will be the direction of current? Opposite side, or to the direction of electrons. So the current direction is like this. And what is resistance? It's the obstruction to the flow of current. Obstruction offered to the flow of current. Now let's see how an electric cell or a battery is represented in a circuit diagram. If you see a symbol such as this, a big stick with a small stick, it's a battery or a cell representation. Always the current flow will be from the positive to the negative. A battery or a combination of cells is represented by same diagram 2 or 3 times. Then a plug key or switch, which is open circuit, is represented like this. Closed circuit is represented in this format. Where there is a joint between wires, it's represented like this. Where there is a crossing without joining, it's represented in this format. Now you can see how a bulb is represented here. Bulb is represented like this. And a resistor, we know the symbol of resistor, and when the resistance is variable, or it can be changing from 3 to 5 or 5 to 3, variable resistance, then it's marked with an arrow. Then ammeter is the one which measures current, and its circuit symbol is like this. Similarly, a voltmeter is represented as V inside a circle. Similarly, galvanometer measures deflection. You must have studied in electromagnetism about it. It's represented like this. So what is an electric cell? We have already studied that it is represented with a big stick and a small stick. So it's just a battery. It's known as electric cell. Then electric bulb, we all know that. Switching off position is something similar to this. Switching on position is when they are connected. Battery is or a cell of number of cells battery. This is like a car battery where number of cells are connected together. Then a wire, a metallic wire. So now let's see this question. Here we have a series of battery. Let's say the battery here is of 1 volt. For just for like solving the problem, it would be easy. We have taken 1 volt here. Similarly, let's take this resistance to be 1 ohm. Then find out what is the current flowing in this circuit. So only one resistor is there and a battery source of 1 volt is there. So what will be the current? Current will be V by R. So 1 by 1 is, you all know the answer. So this is one question. Now let's see the next one. Now this is an important question. This represents series, when resistors are connected in series. Okay, now whenever resistors are connected in series, you can see this diagram. Whenever resistors are connected in series, the voltage V remains the same. The voltage flowing here is same, the voltage flowing here is same, voltage flowing here is same, or that is V here, the same V is here, and the same V flows here. Let's say the V here is 1 volt and resistor R1 is also 1 volt, resistor R2 is also 1 volt, resistor R3 is also, sorry, resistor R1, R2 and R3 are all 1 ohms each, and the voltage here is 1 volt. So the question for you guys is to tell me what is the equivalent resistance in this circuit. Okay, the question is fine, and not only that, you have to tell me the equivalent resistance in this circuit as well as the current flowing in this circuit. Noted? Note this question. The question for you is, when the voltage here is 1 volt and the resistance R1, R2, R3 is all of 1 ohm, what is the equivalent resistance as well as what is the current flowing through the circuit? Answer me in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, do post in the comment section, and if you want to see more of this type of surrounding classroom setting live video and you want to interact with me in the classroom setting, please do let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.